What's up guys, OnePlus 7 Pro has launched. Let's talk about the smartphone. In this smartphone we will get a 60 megapixel front pop-up camera and 6.6 inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display. This smartphone comes with a triple rear camera 48 megapixel plus 60 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and you will get a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 855 chipset. It has an Android 9.0 Pie with Oxygen OS. This smartphone comes with a 3 options in RAM, 6GB, 8GB and 12GB, and 2 options in storage, 128GB and 256GB. This smartphone has a fingerprint sensor under display and 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging.